Tyson Ivy, Backbowl Pro Shop. Just back here doing some lane maintenance today. Some of the pins are not right where they're supposed to be. So I'm helping the lane mechanic out today a little bit. You guys get a little bit of a view of what goes on in the back here. You get to see how all this kind of works to make the pins work every day. So I've got this machine on right now, real quick. I just got done fixing the 8-pin. It was way off its mark. As you can see on this other lane over here, if you look down into here, you can see that pin is not on that circle. So our goal is to get the pin to be on the circle, so that way all the pins are set up correctly, so that way you can have a better bowling experience. But I'll show you guys how this works a little bit here. So there comes the sweeper. It's gonna go up, gonna go down, down and up. It's gonna sweep. Come back in here. The ball goes down in here, right at the spot right here, the little door on the left side there. Pins come up here, all that down there, and it's assorted back there like this. They just gotta get put in place. So that way, after you bowl your first ball and your second ball, it's already got, you know, if you strike, it's already got the next set of pins up and ready to go. This one here goes. So yeah, just thought I'd show you guys a little bit of what goes on back here. Got to put, like I said, that's the first lane I fixed. I've got a few more to go, 9 more to go down through here, just to make sure all the pins are set properly. You know, I just want to show people, you know, I'm here to educate and show people about the whole bowling experience, not just taking your money, you know. So, you know, Tyson Backbowl Pro Shop. You can find me on social media and everything else. So, once again, I hope you guys enjoy this quick one. Thanks. Bye.